To everyone here, it's a joy and a privilege to witness this day, a milestone that's been 11 years in the making.
Call you from the road, the words turned into gold. Just wanna hear your voice telling me something I don't know. Minutes turn to hours.
Teresa, nakita ko lang siya sa isang summer music workshop namin. Nagbaband kami sa church. Tapos nakita ko siya na nagpapaturo siya ng drums kasi ako nagigitara ako. Unti-unti ko siyang hindi man niligawan, nilapit. Hindi rin ako lumapit eh. Actually, papamorma unti-unti, parang gano'n.
Feels just a fall in love for the first time.
Congrats kay Boss Jetro natin.
Loves. On this day, as I stand before you, before our loved ones, and before God, grateful for the opportunity to be with you for a lifetime.
Hindi ko akalain na ibibigay na pala ni Lord yung makakasama ko habang buhay that time. Yung dating crush ko lang sa simbahan, mapapangasawa ka na.
Love na love ka nito ni Jetro. Di kayo tatagal ng ganito katagal nang di ka mahal nito. Kaya congrats sa inyong dalawa. Kaya happy life,
Happy wife.
happy wife.
Naging strength talaga ng relationship namin is si Lord Jesus, si God. Yun ang naging foundation namin. Actually, parang ang bilis lang ng 11 years na dumaan. Di ko nga alam na 11 years na eh. Then, ayun, andito na kami. Kakasal na.
You bring the wonder, you bring the holiday, you are everything that's right. You are all I need. You are all I need.
People thought that our 11-year journey was easy. Akala nila hindi tayo nag-aaway, hindi tayo nagkakaproblema. Pero hindi nila alam, ay mga pag-aaway natin, hindi natin pagkakasunduan, ay isa din naging daan kung bakit tayo nandito ngayon.
You are all
Nay, open mo. Regalo ko sa iyo.
Ganda.
Wala pa yun sa ginawa mo sa akin.
Be a good father. Like your father. Love you.
Love you.
Ngayon, after more than 11 years, after all the ups and downs na napagdaanan natin, haharap na tayo kay Lord, handang maging isa.
You are all I need.
You've already walked a long path together that speaks of loyalty, endurance, and commitment. But today marks a different kind of beginning. You are not just celebrating a relationship. you are forming a covenant before God.
We have gone through many challenges, some of which were extremely difficult. But we have overcome all of them. God and time have strengthened us. He showed us that we cannot do this alone, and that He is still the center of our relationship.
Huwag ka mag-alala, kahit kasal na ako, lalabas pa din tayo. Money pwede natin, tuloy pa rin monthly. Ang gala natin, tuloy pa din. Birthday mo, gagala pa rin. Mahal na mahal kita.
Thank you, anak.
Lahat naman ng ng tinuro mo habang pagpapalaki mo sa akin, hindi mawawala sa akin yan. Nakatatak na sa isip ko yan hanggat sa mag-asawa ako.
With the Lord guiding us, I promise to love you and build a family with you. I promise to support you in everything you do and stand beside you sa lahat ng panahon. Alam ko na hindi ako magiging perfect wife, pero susubukan kong maging the wife that you need and deserve.
I promise you that I will love you in every aspect of our lives. On the good days, I will be by your side. In the challenges, I will stand by you. Sa mundo ko na puro baka, siguro, at pero, ikaw ang aking sigurado.
Sa harap ng mga mahal natin at ng Diyos, buong puso kong pinipili ka ngayon at sa bawat araw na darating. Ito na ang simula ng habang buhay natin. Mahal na mahal kita.
Sa bawat hakbang na tatahakin, nating landas ang magkasama. You are not just my peace, but you are my healing. You are my home and my future. I love you so much, and I thank God for this day, because you are the one I will share my life with. I love you.
You've proven over 11 years that you can stand together. Now God calls you to do that, not just for one season, but for a life.